Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. Now in this video I wanted to explain about the topic related to the chemistry, that is chemicals obtained from common salt. Chemicals obtained from common salt. There are four chemicals that are obtained from the common salt, that is NaCl. They are: number 1, sodium hydroxide; NaOH; second one, calcium oxychloride; calcium oxychloride, that is CaOCl2. Number 3, sodium hydrogen carbonate, or sodium bicarbonate, that is NaHCO3. And the fourth one is sodium carbonate decahydrate, that is Na2CO3 10H2O. Now the first one is sodium hydroxide, NaOH, that is caustic soda. This is the chemical formula of caustic soda. This is calcium oxychloride, CaOCl2. This is bleaching powder. Number 3 is sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is sodium bicarbonate, and this is baking soda. Number 4 is sodium carbonate decahydrate, Na2CO3 10H2O. This is washing soda. Here actually Na2CO3 is soda ash. Na2CO3, this is soda ash. For the soda ash, if we add 10 water molecules, it forms as washing soda. So for soda ash, Na2CO3 plus 10H2O, if we add 10 water molecules, it will become as washing soda. So the chemical formula of washing soda is Na2CO3 10H2O. These are the four chemicals which are obtained from common salt. Now the first one is sodium hydroxide, that is caustic soda from common salt. How it is obtained? If we take this salt water, it is also called as brine solution, aqueous salt water, brine solution. Or salt water, which is aqueous solution. The aqueous solution of salt water is called as brine solution. So if we take the brine solution and if we pass electricity, through brine, then sodium hydroxide is formed. It decomposes to form as sodium hydroxide. When we passes electricity through the brine solution or aqueous solution of sodium chloride, it decomposes to form sodium hydroxide. This process is called as chloroalkali process. Chloroalkali process. Now NaCl, salt, plus H2O, salt water. This is aqueous. If we pass electricity through this, NaOH, sodium hydroxide, plus chlorine, Cl2 plus H2, hydrogen gas is evolved. If we pass electricity through this NaOH here, the caustic soda is formed. We balance the equation 2NaCl, 2H2O, 2NaOH. This is the formation of sodium hydroxide or caustic soda from common salt. In this chlorine gas is formed at anode, hydrogen gas is formed at cathode, and this caustic soda, nothing but sodium hydroxide, is formed near cathode. Minus, plus, minus. Now we will discuss the formation of bleaching powder from common salt. Nothing but bleaching powder is nothing but calcium oxychloride. Now the bleaching powder is formed from the common salt, and the process is actually bleaching powder is produced by the action of chlorine on dry slaked lime. This bleaching powder is formed by the action of chlorine on dry slaked lime. But you can have a question that chlorine is not common salt. But if we observe in the before process, here from the common salt chlorine is formed. So now here we can take chlorine. So indirectly it will be formed from the common salt. We will say like that. Here the chlorine is formed from the common salt. Now bleaching powder is produced by the action of chlorine on dry slaked lime. When the chlorine acts on dry slaked lime, bleaching powder is formed, and the chemical equation is dry slaked lime is nothing but calcium hydroxide, CaOH taken twice. This is dry slaked lime, action of chlorine, Cl2, gives rise to CaOCl2, nothing but bleaching powder plus water, H2O. Chlorine acts on dry slaked lime to form bleaching powder and water. Here bleaching powder is obtained from chlorine. Chlorine is obtained from common salt. So indirectly we can say that bleaching powder, nothing but calcium oxychloride, CaOCl2, is obtained from common salt. Now we will discuss how washing soda is formed from common salt. So washing soda is formed by heating baking soda. NaHCO3, chemical formula of baking soda. If we heat NaHCO3, the products of this heating are Na2CO3 plus H2O plus CO2. By heating baking soda, washing soda is formed, Na2CO3. We should not say this as washing soda. Soda ash is formed, as we discussed above. Soda ash is formed if we add 10 water molecules to this soda ash plus 10 H2O. It will form as Na2CO3 10 H2O. This is washing soda. So we can say that washing soda is formed by heating baking soda. Here the products of heating baking soda are soda ash, water and carbon dioxide. Now we will discuss how baking soda is formed from baking soda, NaHCO3, from NaCl, common salt. NaCl common salt plus water H2O plus carbon dioxide CO2 plus ammonia NH3. The reaction of all. Here common salt is also present, so that we can say that this is NaHCO3 is formed from common salt. So if we react NaCl plus water plus carbon dioxide plus ammonia, and the result of this reaction is, the products of this reaction is NH4Cl, that is ammonium chloride, plus NaHCO3. These two are the products of this total reaction. Ammonium chloride and sodium bicarbonate, nothing but baking soda, is formed. Baking soda. This is the formation of baking soda from the common salt. Now these four are the chemicals which are formed from the common salt. I hope you like this video, and please do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.